A very warm welcome to my dear Goenkans of grade 3 to their mathematics class. I hope you all are doing well. Dear Goenkans, today we are going to do revision worksheet based on subtraction. That is your chapter number 3 and page number is from 34 to 46. Now, this is the revision time and without wasting time, let's start. Let's revise now. Dear students, question number 1 we will read first. As you can see, this is a word problem and this is based on subtraction. So this is subtraction word problem. Amit has 2375 toffees. Samir has 3765 toffees. Who has more toffees and how many more? First you will decide who has more toffees. So we have understood the question properly. Now we will get the information that is needed and that is important. For that you have to write the solution and number of toffees first Amit had is given 2376. Then number of toffees Samir had is given 3765. Now who is having more? So you will write these two numbers. Then you will put the crocodile will eat, crocodile will have its mouth open towards the bigger number, and we all know the bigger number is 3765, okay, and 2376 is smaller. So who has more? Samir. Samir had more toffees, okay, because 3765 is greater than 2375. Now we got he has more toffees. By how many more? How many more means subtraction. That is a keyword that is used for subtraction. Now we are going to get the difference of the minuend and the subtrahend. Dear students, the number of more toffees Samir is having is equal to. For that you have to write the place value first, then write your minuend, that is 3765, then your subtrahend 2376 and mention the negative minus sign. Now you will subtract. You are having 5 here, so can you get 6 out of 5? No, 6 is greater than 5. So more on the floor, go to next door. Here you are having 5. Go to next door and get 10 more. 10 plus 5 is 15 and the number gets reduced by 1. You will go step 1 down. 6 minus 1 is 5. 15 minus 5. Now what you are going to do, here you will put a cross on 5 and 6. 15 minus 6 is 9. 5 minus 7, it is not possible. More on floor, go to next door, get 1 more. 15 minus 7 is 8. Now this number will go 1 step down. 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. So number of toffees Samir is having more is 1389. This is your answer. This is your difference. So you not now got the idea how we solved that who is having more and by how many more. For that we subtracted the two numbers. Now question 2 is, in a library there are 7598 books. Out of these 2365 are English language books, 2156 are Hindi language books and the remaining are other language books. How many other language books are there in the library? So you will first look at the question, understand it. You will see the total number of books in the library is given. There are, it means they are the total 7598, okay. Now out of these 7598, 2365 are English language and Hindi language books are 2156. So first we will calculate the total number of English and Hindi language books, okay. For that we have to add 5 plus 6 is 11, 1 is carried over to 10's place. Now 6 plus 1 is 7 and 7 plus 5 is 12. So 2 you will write here, 1 is carried over to 100's place. 3 plus 1 is 5. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4521 is the total number of English and Hindi language books, okay. Now this number you will subtract from the total number of books. Total number of books is 7598 and subtract the number that you got here by addition, that is your sum. This was your first addend, this was your second addend. Now this is the minuend and this is your subtrahend. Now you have to get the difference. 8 minus 1 is 7, 9 minus 2 is 7, 5 minus 5 is 0, 7 minus 4 is 3. 3077 are the number of other language book. So dear students, you have to do this worksheet very neatly and you have to recap all the concepts and do this very neatly in your maths notebook. This was all for today. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz to you all.